What's up, guys? So I wanted to test out the GoPro Max without the protective lens covers on it, because I felt like last night in some of my videos those were causing some artifacting and like some weird lens flare type things with the lights. So I'm going to test it out a little bit without those. See what it's like when the camera's kind of far away. I can still pick up on my voice over other stuff that's going on, like the skateboard. Alright, so let me know in the comments section below what you guys thought of that test. How's the GoPro Max for like a vlogging type camera while in action? Let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, then hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.